Alright guys, welcome back. I'm extremely excited for such a small change, but today I'll be putting on the Rexspeed Duckbill. So I'm going to give you some before and after shots so you can actually physically see the difference, and I'll go through the install with you, so stay tuned. Thanks guys. Okay guys, first things first, I'm going to be removing the carpet. Just, you know, some pop clips you can get out with a screwdriver, and then there should be 2 screws under each side, which I'll show you when I get to that. Alright, so I've got the carpet off, and then you are going to be, so that black clip, or I'm sorry, black bolt right there, and that one right there. And then you can see, maybe you can, maybe you can't. Trying to see if I can get a better angle for you. Oh, there you go. So those are the little pop clips that are actually holding the, besides the 2 bolts that are holding the wing in. Alright, so I'm going to be using these plastic tools. I've mentioned them before in some of my other videos, but I think I got like there's a huge bag of them. I think I got them for like, I don't even know, 10 bucks. But yeah, so I'm going to try and see if I can pop this off. That was easy. And let me just show you really quick. So it's pretty dirty under there, so I'm just going to be cleaning that up and kind of prepping everything so I can put the new the duckbill on. So cool. Alright guys, so duckbill is installed. One thing that I was kind of disappointed in is that the holes did not line up, so I couldn't use the stock screws, and I really don't just trust the double-sided sticky tape. So I apologize as my camera died, so I do not have any footage of it. But what I did was I very carefully drilled, I lined up how I wanted the duckbill to sit and measured out where the holes were, and I drilled a hole where I could fit one of the stock clips, like plastic clips, on the stock wing where I removed that and used that in the wing, just to kind of help give it some support. And then of course did all the double-sided sticky tape. I'm going to tell you one thing not to do, is don't use any other double-sided sticky tape except for the 3M that is supplied. Otherwise it will give you a little bit of a gap, because the ones that they supply are super thin, so it can stay flush and look nice. But other than that, I'm happy with everything. A little bit more work than I thought, but I'll give you a side-by-side for before and after.